This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. NVIDIA is at the forefront of the AI revolution, driving growth with its Blackwell infrastructure and hyperscaler trends. NVIDIA's upcoming earnings report could become one of the most important events for AI investors this year. Because this earnings report is no longer just about NVIDIA, it may reveal where the entire AI infrastructure boom is heading next. From hyperscaler AI spending, to Blackwell demand, to the future of AI factories worldwide, Wall Street is watching this report extremely closely. NVIDIA has evolved far beyond a semiconductor company. Today, the company sits at the center of the global AI economy. Its GPUs now power hyperscaler AI infrastructure, enterprise AI deployments, sovereign AI projects, and next-generation AI factories worldwide. That's why investors increasingly view NVIDIA as a direct indicator of global AI spending trends. NVIDIA's growth over the past 3 years has been extraordinary. Revenue surged from roughly $61 billion to more than $215 billion. Net income and earnings per share also exploded higher as hyperscalers aggressively expanded AI infrastructure investments. Very few companies in modern market history have experienced growth at this scale this quickly. AI demand changed everything. NVIDIA's earnings have consistently beaten expectations, though strong earnings don't always guarantee a stock rally. Despite high expectations, Wall Street remains extremely bullish on NVIDIA, with a strong positive consensus. Wall Street remains overwhelmingly bullish on NVIDIA heading into earnings. The stock recently traded around $225, while the average analyst price target sits near $275. Some firms are now projecting targets above $300 as optimism surrounding Blackwell and AI infrastructure spending continues growing. But expectations are now extremely high, which also increases downside risk if guidance disappoints. Wall Street expectations this quarter remain extremely aggressive. Analysts currently expect revenue near $79 billion, data center revenue above $72 billion, and gross margins approaching 75%. But investors are no longer focused only on earnings numbers. The real focus may become Blackwell demand, and whether hyperscaler AI spending continues accelerating globally. Blackwell, NVIDIA's next-gen AI platform, could become the biggest story, succeeding Hopper and enhancing AI infrastructure. Key companies like Vertiv, Eaton, Corning, Applied Digital, and IREN are crucial to watch as NVIDIA's earnings could impact the entire AI infrastructure ecosystem. So now the big question becomes: will NVIDIA reinforce continued AI acceleration, or will the market begin worrying that growth is slowing? The bearish case focuses on slowing growth, margin pressure, China restrictions, and signs that AI spending may begin moderating. The bullish case depends on stronger Blackwell demand, accelerating hyperscaler spending, and continued supply-constrained AI demand. Key indicators and NVIDIA's earnings will shape the next phase of the AI economy, highlighting the pivotal role of global AI infrastructure. NVIDIA stands at the center of the AI market, with Blackwell driving infrastructure cycles and influencing stock market reactions. If you enjoyed this breakdown of NVIDIA earnings and the broader AI infrastructure market, make sure to subscribe for more AI stock analysis and emerging AI infrastructure trends. Visit AIStocksHub.com for detailed reports on emerging AI companies, offering insights into the dynamic world of AI stock investments.